Tommy Dahi and a chas history. I've been an old devil for most of my life, but I'm cold from me tail to me face. It's the first time in years I've been outside the gates. I tell you, Milwaukee's a hell of a place. As Kush Mórdha and Mock Shaw. Du hen is da warm. Neil se chod down till is a chajellig in through. Neil on doher go smell on. Mar a stool to yell nog. Ta on short brack shahas do. We sent the youngster above to cause trouble on earth. You see, the youngster's a bit of a lad, and his mammy was afraid he'd grow up to be good, and not nearly as bad as his dad.
No panic and Joel for Mánais Sheffield. Not calling a night so Mórdha. I'm a fan of the bleen and a crew below. For the victim is precious snark. Hello, Daddy Devil. You're as ugly as sin. You not know me. You're lovely firstborn. I've been waiting a year to warm up me tail. You're getting a bit long in the horn.
Na tablet di damen ta har tosunus. And sna rodi shenjotun fragera. There's those bloody tablets you sent me last Christmas. The devil's own course on Viagra.
That invention of mine's causing trouble up there. It puts you like in the old carburetor. There'll be eruptions and wild consternation on Earth, and the longer it gets, sure the better.
Well, you're a chip off the old block. Well done a walk. At the devillin, I'd say you'll go far. A smeryal or shrubluage, Viagra, mar a jerhit a wam, mar a swidgen rod, mar a spar. But what else have you done to deserve your new horns? What trouble and sins have you caused? I hope it was you caused the floods in Peru, and the Middle East talks to be paused.
Sir, not missy happy for a while, a crack. I'm down this long the Eliot. At the yaddy. Come on, get on, that's not chorus, so look at their theatre. And that work wasn't bad for a bit of a lad, but I've done a lot more that's much worse. But a yaddy story. Tell me what's going on with them? Why are we talking in verse?
Wish now you come, you know what's going on. Don't be letting me down, you young pup. Sure, we always talk verse, and we never rehearse. We're supposed to be making this up.
I's Kengi need shock and rubble na through Kagan nat neen Joe no go. It is strong cherry is thirsty, come and quick on that. Neil Leitcham are a beat fado. And who are these people with no horns or no tails, and what are they doing below? They're all strangers to me, but hang on a while. I see a few devils I know.
Shohead once our walk to Verica. Talking to us, live our Courtland and Trohans at Devagan. Lelehaji, Sanford and South Carolina, to America. I mean, he got a friend. These are Americans. Come down to visit us, and for political asylum as well. With Wendy and Dina and people like that, sure, America's pure gone to hell.
Americans musha, not jolty and dramid. Be to hen ounce a shannon pado. Now bad all who ships at Ascot pub in Milwaukee. To hen of us at Shan Mashy Joe. I remember the American stories she told me. The trophies are all still on the shelf. The drinking, carousing, and getting arrested. Limo, Quinnigan, and Mashy Joe and herself.
The Antwin Dohan and Yen and the year will you know. Tashiahan is our class, it was boy. August, Paisley, August Adams, the crew boy, the Kiel, August. You'll trouble with the Behan from Craig. You didn't cause much trouble in Ireland above. The loyalists aren't causing much trouble. On Radio Hell, I heard an old devil tell how he saw Adams giving Paisley a cuddle.
Well, when I went to the West, I did more than my best. I tempted singers by day and by night. I sent Matty to Hamish off Fatterfield would make mincemeat of the lot of you. So none of them give a shite.
What use is that, you big ignorant pup? We need people in hell through the gates. Ta to me her scow, ta to Cordini are now. What was Tamisha do to which is brand yet?
Yeah, the store ta to brain cark galore. Tá the chud garan for pín my own. Tá my chillin, my yield, you know my vocal, tá my foul in my care to go.
When I was your age, chasing nuns was the rage. To catch them was always my intention. Well, the food they could sink, and there were devils for drink, and other things I'd better not mention.
Bí scar nuns Australi, mocher and spree, and well dat Kirill and a garge. Your brain is the losting luck for my jack, Mojel Puchlin of his Ruxy the Hudson.
You've a lot more to learn before your horns you can earn, and a lot more to practice as well. We need millions of souls to stoke turf, wood and coal to keep us devils well roasted in hell.
Well, thanks a lot, old devil, for being so civil and for your praise and advice so abundant. But for all you're so devious, you're a little bit previous from the stokers will all be redundant. Slánless flústal móna, imagine stránóna, slánless and jap up to some bulla. Beat to kind treat the whole Martha Derlamone, Tarin Sefrina, a Kurshot, Ulla. Goodbye to the smells that stink to high hell, and the odours so appalling and eclectic. You can believe your young lad, the story's quite bad. Hell's fires are going electric.
I'll miss the old smell, because there's no place like hell. But give over this blather and blarney. We'll gather up, ma'am, and the rest of the clan will make a new start in Killarney. Some say the devil is dead, the devil is dead, the devil is dead. Some say the devil is dead, and American Killarney. More say he rose again, more say he rose again, more say he rose again, and joined the British Army.